Hi, hello, welcome to our channel Social Science for You. In this video, we are going to see Geography Lesson 7 Human Geography of Tamil Nadu. 2 more question and answers. Question number 1. Explain the cropping seasons of Tamil Nadu. The cropping seasons of Tamil Nadu are Swarnavari, Samba, Navarai. Swarnavari, Chittirai Pattam. Sowing is from April to May. Harvesting is done from August to September. Major crops are millets and cotton. Samba, Adipattam. Sowing is from July to August. Harvest is done from January to February. Major crops are paddy and sugarcane. Navarai. Sowing is from November to December. Harvesting is done from February to March. Major crops are fruits, vegetables, cucumber and watermelon. Question number 2. Why is Coimbatore called the Manchester of Tamil Nadu? Coimbatore is called the Manchester of Tamil Nadu because of the development of cotton textile industry since the colonial period. It is known as such because of the presence of more than 25,000 small, medium, large-scale industries and textile mills. Name the important multipurpose projects of Tamil Nadu. Mettur Dam, Bhavani Sagar Dam, Amaravati Dam, Krishnagiri Dam, Sattanur Dam, Mullai Periyar Dam, Vaigai Dam, Manimuttar Dam, Papanasam Dam, Parambikulam Aliyar Project. Question number 4. What is MRTS? Mass Rapid Transport System. Chennai has a well-established suburban railway network, a MRTS, and is currently developing a metro system with its first underground stretch in operation since May 2017. Question number 5. List out the airports and seaports of Tamil Nadu. Airports of Tamil Nadu: Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai, Tiruchirappalli, Tuticorin, Chellam. Seaports in Tamil Nadu: Chennai, Ennur, Tuticorin, Nagapattinam and 15 minor ports. Now let's see distinguish between the following in this lesson. Marine fishing and inland fishing. Marine fishing. It is carried out in oceans and seas. Inland fishing. It is carried out in lakes, rivers, ponds, estuaries, backwaters and swamps. Large mechanized boats are used. Catamaran, diesel boats and floating nets are used. Question number 2. Food crops and non-food crops. Food crops are crops that are grown for the sole use of human consumption. Non-food crops are crops that are used for profit rather than consumption by a family. It is also called as cash crops. Paddy, millets and pulses are the major food crops. Sugarcane, cotton, sunflower, etc. are the major commercial crops. Question number 3. Surface water and groundwater. Surface water is water on the surface of continents such as in a river, lake and stream. Groundwater is the water found underground in the cracks and spaces in soil, sand and rock. Most of the surface water has already been tapped, primarily for irrigation, where water use is largest. The current level of utilization of water is about 60% of the available recharge, while about 40% is the balance available for use. Thank you. I hope you all going to practice these questions. Stay connected for remaining lessons.